In the sequence, the first term is 3 and the common difference is 5. The sixth term of this sequence is 28, negative 25, negative 22, or 33. So let's see what we have given here. We have first term of sequence, so we will write that A1 is equal 3. The common difference, we will use the letter for common difference is 5. When we have given common difference, it means that we are talking about arithmetic progression. And we have to find the sixth term of the sequence, A6. We have to find the sixth term of our sequence. We know that this is arithmetic progression. We have first term, we have common difference. If you forget formula for n term of arithmetic progression, how we find S6? We know that in arithmetic progression, every term after first we obtain by adding common difference to the term which is before. So when A1 is equal 3, so A2 will be A1 plus common difference. A3 will be A2 plus common difference. The term which is before A3 plus common difference. So this is equal A2. We have that this is A1 plus D, and we have plus D. So this is equal A1 plus 2D. A4, what will be? The term which is before, so before we have A3 plus, again, common difference. A3, we find that this is A1 plus 2D, and we have to add D, so this is A1 plus 3D. So we see that, for example, fourth term is A1 plus, coefficient before D is one less than the term. We have 4 terms, so coefficient before D is 1 less, so this is 3. So A5, what will be? Again, the term which is before A5 plus D. So this is A4 is A1 plus 3D, and we have to add D, so this is A1 plus 4D. We see again that the fifth term is what? A1, and the coefficient before D is 1 less. And A6 is equal A5 plus D again. In arithmetic progression, we always add the common difference to the term which is before to get next. So this is A5 is A1 plus 4D plus D. So this is A1 plus 5D. The coefficient before D is always 1 less than the term. We have to find the sixth term. So now we have to just substitute A1, we have given by 3 plus 5, and D is given 5. So first we have to do multiplication, so we copy 3 plus 5 times 5 is 25, so this is equal 28. We found the sixth term of our arithmetic progression. This is one way. If you forget the formula for the n term of arithmetic progression, or if you remember formula that the n term of arithmetic progression is A1 plus n minus 1 times D. This is formula for the n term of arithmetic progression. In our example, we have to find 6 terms, so n is equal 6. A1 we have given as 3 and D is equal 5. So again we just substitute to this formula. n by 6, a1 by 3, d by 5, and you will get the same what we have here. So our solution is 1. The sixth term is 28.